Hi everyone, my name is Eileen Gagney and I'm the Technical Advisor and Trainer for Tribal Healthy Homes Network. Today I'm going to show you how to install a door guard as part of the Smoke Safe toolkit that we offer. Now, part of it is also with these cards, and on this card, in order to create a smoke safe room, we're going to be using the door guard. So first thing I'm going to do is have the door guard, but I'm also going to need some tape, some scissors, and a tape measure. So open up the kit, and this kit can also be used not only for doors, but also windows. So if you have a window that's very, very leaky, you can also use it on that. So first thing you want to do is take scissors and open up the kit, which I've already done. Pull it out, and it comes with instructions, as well as these foam rods and a sheath. Now, the first thing you want to do is pull out the tubes, and one of the tubes has a little plastic guide on it. That you pull out about halfway, slip the other piece inside because it's going to attach them. So you do that to both. And then once you get them installed, now you want to take your tape measure and measure the door itself, the inside area. So in here, inside here to inside here, this one is 35 inches. So I want to make sure that I measure 30, that I have 35 inches to I get a good seal. 34, this is great. Okay, so once I've done that, and if I have to cut to fit them, now is the time to cut them. So before you put them in the fabric sheath, open up the sheath, and each tube, there's a side for each tube. So one tube goes in one side, all the way to the bottom, and then the other one goes in the other side, and it goes to the bottom. And then the top is secured with this little piece of Velcro, which gets folded over and secured there. Now you have this, and you see that there's a space in between here. This is where the door goes. So one of the things I'm also going to do, if you notice on this end, there's this little piece of fabric and some tape. I don't really want to tape this door guard to my door. I'm going to be able to get it off when I'm done for the winter or during wildfire season. So I'm going to take a piece of tape with me, and what we're going to do, this piece then goes on the open side of the door. So I slide it under the door. You see the door fits right in between it, and I secure this using painter's tape rather than the tape that comes with it, and close the door, and there you have your seal. Today, as part of our smoke safe kit, I'm going to talk about how to create a smoke safe room, specifically how to seal gaps in your windows where wildfire smoke can come into your home. So what we're going to do today is actually use this non-toxic, it's paintable, it's removable, this rope caulk that you can install inside the gaps in your windows. So the first thing you want to do, open the box up and find the start of one, and it's divided into 5 sections. I like to use 2 at a time just to make sure I've got enough coverage so there's no gaps, because this is what we're trying to fill, right? So the first thing I do is loosen this up, and it's kind of sticky, kind of stretchy. And what we're going to do before we install it is actually I'm going to undo quite a bit of this, make sure I have enough, measure from the top of this in top of the window here to the bottom, which is about there, and then cut it. Okay, so I take this piece and I'm actually going to push it right into that corner. So it will seal, it effectively really seals well the gap that will be in between the frame of the window and the window itself. So you go all the way down to the bottom and push it into there and secure it, and there you have it. You have a little bit up top. So once again, I'll take my two pieces, go across the top, give it a rough measurement, cut it, and seal it however I can in that gap as well. If you have a gap at the bottom, you can also seal it here. So once again, I loosen up this caulking rope, or rope caulk, unwrap it. Let's see, do I have enough? Not quite. A little bit more, cut it, then take it, and just like I did on the side, I push it into the corner, into that gap at the bottom of the window, working my way all the way along till I fill that whole gap, which will stop the smoke from coming in during a wildfire smoke event. And once I've done that, work my way all the way around the window, and it should work beautifully. Now, the nice thing about this product is that when you're done, it just pulls right off. No staining, no sticking, no glue, no nothing. That works beautifully. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. I'm Eileen Gagne at Tribal Healthy Homes Network, or www.thhnw.org.